Yo guys, what's up? This is Silver here, and today I'm bringing you guys my first unboxing video. And today I'm unboxing the KontrolFreek's FPS Freeks. So let's start. It's pretty hard to open a package with just one hand. So just put my. I'm recording with my phone. No, I don't have to put it down. Yay! Okay. Try another technique. Okay, there we go, I think. Just a bit here. Let's see. So here's the FPS Freeks. FPS Freeks Ultra KontrolFreeks. I ordered the black one to match my PS3 controller. They're a bit smaller than I expected, but they're thumb size. It's pretty good. Let's see if there's anything else in here. KontrolFreek sticker. Cool. Put that on my PS3. No, I won't. See. Just some papers. Shipping information. Yeah. There's shipping information. Put it over there. And there's nothing in here. So let's open it. Oh, the package is squeezed. Oh wait, okay, let's figure out how to open this. I'll just try something out. Put you down for a second and watch my roof. Oh my god. Yay! So, now I opened it. 20% battery left in the phone. So, this is it. Really nice touch to it. Or what to say, I don't know. Take them out of the thingy. Put them on the controller. Just put them on, so be right back. They're really easy to put on. Just put them on to the stick and press it down. Just like, oh. My screen is going crazy now. Just press them down over the analog stick and make sure they're on there correctly. It's looking good. So that's how it looks. Feels kind of strange to start with, but it's pretty nice. I think I can get used to this. Getting better accuracy for every day now. Yeah. So that's the unboxing of the KontrolFreek FPS Freeks. So this has been Silver, and I'm out. Peace.